In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a variety of Telegram bots that can enhance your experience with this versatile messaging app. Whether you want to play games, save files, translate text, or more, there's a bot for that. Let's dive into each one step by step. Starting with games, if you're interested in playing mini-games within Telegram, you'll want to check out @GameBot. Simply open your Telegram desktop app and click on the search bar. Type in @GameBot, and when it pops up, go ahead and open it. Once you're in, clicking Start will reveal a menu of game options. Choose a game that catches your interest and click Play. For instance, if you decide to play basketball, you can easily show off your score to friends. If arcade games with leaderboards are more your style, search for @Gamey. Again, hit Start after opening it. Browse through the list of games available, select one, and click Play. Completing a round of a racing game, for example, will allow you to share your performance on the leaderboard, showcasing how you stack up against others. Now, if you need cloud storage for saving files, head over to @File2Bot. After searching for and starting the bot, you can forward or send any file to it. The bot will generate a download link for you. Imagine sending a PDF. You simply copy the link it provides, and your file is safe and accessible in the cloud. For quick translations, you'll find @Translate Lattice Bot exceptionally useful. After searching and starting this bot, paste or send the text you need translated. The bot will reply instantly with the translated text. For instance, sending Hola Mundo will give you an English translation in no time. If downloading Instagram or TikTok Reels is what you need, look for @SaveAsBot. Upon starting, paste the link of the reel or post directly into the chat. The bot processes it and returns the video file. Clicking Download allows you to save it locally to your device. For creating engaging content, explore @QuizBot. Once you've started this bot, choose Create Quiz. You'll enter your question, add options, and mark the correct answer. Posting your quiz to a group will not only entertain, but also show the results, fostering interaction. Music lovers will appreciate @Spotify SaveBot. Start the bot and paste a Spotify track or playlist link. The bot then returns a playable or downloadable file you can enjoy, whether it's just a track preview or an entire playlist. For crypto enthusiasts, @Wallet is a must. Search for it, hit Start, and proceed to Open Wallet. You can select Receive or Balance to display your address or balance. Demonstrating this, you might show your TON address or STARS balance easily. To convert files to different formats, use @FileConverterBot. After starting it, send any file you wish to convert. The bot provides a menu to select your desired output format, and you can download the converted file once it's ready. Lastly, if you're into creating stickers, @Stickers is perfect. Begin the bot and select a new pack, or follow its prompts to create a sticker pack. Upload your images, assign emojis, and publish. You'll receive a link to add the pack, making it easy to share and install. And there you have it. These bots represent just a fraction of what Telegram can offer. Hopefully, you'll find these tools as fun and functional as we do. Enjoy exploring.